So some of you may be familiar with this. It was part of several trainings of the past couple days. And I thought it was really cool, so I just wanted to show it off real quick. It's a little channels app, right? We can chat, we can see who's connected, and we can draw ourselves a nice collaborative picture. And it all operates using Phoenix channels, and also, got to have a web server in order for WebSockets to work. But the cool thing that I think here is that in this specific example, if we take a look at the network stack trace here, come on now, dictionary popping up there. We scroll down, we see that the server is not Cowboy. In this case, it's a project I've been working on, which I'm calling Flux. It's an Elixir web server. The project started a while ago and really just started as kind of like my own exploration into the internals of HTTP and whatnot. But I also continue to work on it and hope that it'll become a little something more because of a few different reasons. And one of those is that I think having a pure Elixir web stack would be really cool. Rather than having to worry about the Cowboy web server running underneath, not being able to understand what's going on there. If you're not familiar with Erlang, you could even go look at some of the details of the implementation of your web server if you are facing a particularly frustrating problem while developing a web app. Additionally, Cowboy, while it is a good piece of software, right, it's honestly kind of heavy to be used with Phoenix, in my opinion. Cowboy ships with its own routing system and a lot of other great features that we don't actually use or ever see because we use Phoenix, which does the exact same thing. To reduce the overall footprint of our applications, I think an alternative would be very cool. And since we have Elixir, we might as well write that in Elixir. In addition, with Flux, similarly to Ranch and Cowboy, there is a pool acceptor which it uses, which I'm calling Nexus, but that's even less developed than Flux. So the application itself, both the pool acceptor and the web server, is at the point where I can show off fun examples like this, but it is nowhere close to being finished. Not yet completely HTTP 1.1 compliant, does not support HTTP 2, and various other things. Needs a lot of testing, that sort of stuff. But I thought I'd show it off anyway and just see if there was any interest from the community and potential future PRs or assistance or whatnot. And also just to show off, because when we write something cool, we want to show other people. Thank you for your time.